And then also do my radio show and literally being struck by lightning and us having to abandon the show and just going for a walk with Ricky from the Kaiser Chiefs because it was raining so much and we couldn't actually broadcast. Hi, I'm Jo Whiley and I'm here with Good Housekeeping, and I'm going to share some of my lessons in festival going. My one piece of advice that I'd give to people who've never been to a festival before is look at the bands who are playing, look out what's on offer and make a playlist so that when you go there, you'll know exactly who you want to spend some time going to see, you'll know the bands that you like, and you'll make some new discoveries as well. So yeah, make yourself a festival playlist. The biggest rookie mistake that people make when they go to a festival is they forget to take suntan lotion, and that is so important. It doesn't even matter if it's raining, but you will always get festival redneck or some kind of tan. And also, just taking too much stuff, try not to take too much stuff because you have to carry it, and that's really exhausting. My top 5 festival must-haves, I would say suntan lotion, socks that are not brand new, so socks that are nice and worn in, boots, a hat, and a warm jumper because it's freezing. Even if it's really sunny in the day, I can guarantee you'll be absolutely frozen at night. Oh my gosh, when it comes to festival memories, there are so many, obviously. I remember Coldplay, when they headlined on the Pyramid stage, felt really, really special because I'd seen them at the Roadmender in Northampton when they were a tiny baby band, and I'd done early interviews with them, and just to see them become these incredible performers headlining at Glastonbury was a very proud moment. Dolly Parton filling the field and everybody there dressed as either Kenny Rogers or Dolly Parton. That was hilarious, watching Beyonce play when she did the main stage, and she slayed. And then also do my radio show and literally being struck by lightning and us having to abandon the show and just going for a walk with Ricky from the Kaiser Chiefs because it was raining so much and we couldn't actually broadcast. So yeah, many, many, many moments. If I was going to put together my festival and I'd have the ultimate artist there, I think I'd have Elton John. I mean, he's playing at Glastonbury this year and I am so excited. I think it's going to be an amazing finale to his live shows. So Elton will be there. David Bowie, for obvious reasons. Vampire Weekend, I love that band so much. I would have Dolly Parton because she just brought so much pizzazz when she came to Glastonbury and I loved her very much indeed. And Damien Rice because I love all of his music and I just think I would love to open the day with him. My dream festival companions are my kids because when I go to festivals I'm always working, so when I do Glastonbury I never get to see them at all, and days later I'll see all their Instagram and Facebook feeds and I'll see all the fun that they've had, and so for once I'd like to go to a festival and actually hang out with them. When the weather goes all Pete Tong, you have to stop caring. You have to make sure that you've got some kind of, whether it's a bin bag or something warm to keep you a little bit dry, but just forget what you look like, it really doesn't matter, and just abandon yourself to the elements. I've been at those Glastonburys and those festivals where the mud has been up to here and you can't get your foot out of the ground because it's just stuck. Just go barefoot if necessary, that would be my advice. Best way to find your tent in the dark is to have a massive flag or just adorn it with something that's kind of day glow and luminous, and yeah, just follow. Make sure it's distinctive and not like everybody else is there, but mark out your tent and make it individual, and then you'll know where to go to. My essential snacks to keep yourself going for the whole night would be a banana. I always rely on bananas when I go to festivals because they give you the energy boost, and cider. So yeah, give me a banana and cider and I'm yours.